Hey guys, it's me Lexi here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to be doing another awesome video. We are going to be dividing my fidgets into colors. So let's say we're gathering all the pink fidgets and putting them in a pile. And all the green fidgets, we're going to put them in a pile. And because I want to see like how much fidgets I have in like colors. So like pink, how much I have in pink, green, how much I have in green. You know, I have some odd colors like gray, brown. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna take them all out. As you know, I have, how much fidgets in my collection? I don't know how much, but we'll count them at the end. But just look at these fidgets. Oh my gosh. Like, how do you not, how, I don't know how much I have, but I'm sure it's, what I have is a lot. So, you're going to comment your guesses, because I really want to know, you guys, what you think, and what you think actually is good, or what I should have done, or, you know, just literally comment below. Okay, so, these are this is my whole entire fidget. Oh no, my magnet rings got separated from each other. I got her here again. So, oh my gosh, this is so satisfying. Okay, so I have a lot of fidgets. So I don't know if you can tell, but here I am surrounded. So yeah. So I love fidgets, as you guys know, and let's get started with this video. So I'm just gonna do like, imagine like, this is rainbow, so this goes in the rainbow, okay? Good. So, unicorn puppet, and it is rainbow. An octagon puppet, and it is rainbow. A unicorn purse puppet, which is tie-dye, because like, look at that. Not tie-dye. Let me remove Riley's box from here. Ew, that ended in a bad look. So, you guys, what do you think about this? Should it be counted as a white or rainbow? I'm going to have to say it has to be counted as a rainbow because, like, look at that. When you not look at it and say that's rainbow. So, we're going to put it in the rainbow aisle. Definitely white. I really think this is white because, like, hello, it's so obvious. And we're going to do this as a dinosaur stress ball. And we're going to put it in the green. So white and the green over there. This giant air shaggy stress ball. Definitely green. Then here is this pink air shaggy stress ball. We're going to put it in the pink section. And this is tie-dye, so we're going to put it in the tie-dye section. Green, icicle puppet. Okay. Rainbow slinky. I think I have a lot of rainbows in my fidget collection, to be honest. Ooh, white moon ball. White section, okay, here. Purple shaggy stress ball. Just like pink. This puzzle puppet, which is rainbow. This little dimple cube, which is totally purple. So we're going to put it in the purple aisle. So let me move so maybe you can like kind of see what I'm doing here. Look, I'm not going to be showing so you guys can see all the things that's happening right here. So then I have this white jumper. So we're going to put him in there. So we have, ooh, okay, so I need your opinion, guys. When you look at this, I don't say this is rainbow because it only has 3 colors, so yeah. So I think this should be counted as white. So white. This is totally yellow. So we're going to put it in the yellow section, which is going to be here. As you can see, it's there. You can't really see, but I'll show you at the end, guys. So I have this cube. I don't know, but since it has 3 colors, I'm going to put it in the rainbow section. And obviously tell me if you disagree or agree with the things I'm placing. So we have this brown acupressure ring. I mean, when you say it's gold, but still it's like a brown color, brownish. So we're gonna put the brown right here because I know I'm gonna have a lot of brown. Okay, I need your opinion, everybody. Do you think this is rainbow or white? I'm gonna say this has to be rainbow because when you look at it, you don't see that's white. That's how you can identify things. Okay, this is teal, but teal goes with blue, so we're gonna put this in the blue section. We're running out of space. Okay. So this is yellow because the majority is yellow. So yellow section. This green putty. This blue I don't know what to call this, but there's a blue man, I guess. Blue man. Blue flexible man. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call that guy. Okay. When you look at this, what do you see more? Green or orange? I feel like you more see orange because this, look at that. You more see orange for me. I see more orange when I look at it. So just look at that. Look at it. Tell me what you see. I see more orange. We're going to place it with the orange section. Okay, good. This is purple. Even though it has green on the bottom, the majority is purple. It looks pink on camera, but it's actually purple. I promise. It looks way darker in real life. So that's purple. Then we have this blue. I was going to say this. Yeah, okay. This blue bull. Oh my gosh, she's tearing up because I feel so sorry. This blue, okay, I'm getting annoyed. This blue bull ear foam strands ball. Okay, thank you. I couldn't, literally. Okay, I think this is way more rainbow, so we're going to put it at the rainbow section, and so much is this. So as this. So, stand, you guys. Okay, good. I'm going to put them here. This green Orbeez stress ball. I like all my Orbeez stress ball are green. This rainbow snapper. I'm gonna have to say this tie-dye. So we're gonna put that tie-dye puppet right there. So if you flip it this way, it's red, but if you flip it that way, it's tie-dye. So we're gonna flip it this way, and it's gonna be red. Okay. Ooh, this pink monkey noodle. It's glittery. This can be red or orange because it's not really rainbow. So I'm gonna go with, I don't know, because this side there's a way more orange. So we're gonna go with orange, color orange. Okay. Then we have this rainbow mini needle. Oh my gosh. Mini needle. What did, oh, okay. Me. Oh, no. You know. I don't even know what I'm gonna say. It fell. Okay, anyways. Then I have this purple fidget spinner. Super cool. This rainbow Orbeez stress ball. My cousin actually really likes this. And I don't know why, because he just likes the Orbeez. So yeah. Reminder to him. Then I have this baby pink stress ball. We're gonna put it right over there. This tie-dye Christmas tree popper. Poppet. What do you call it? Popper or poppet? Okay, I don't care. I'm just gonna call that poppet. This orange foam stress ball. Kind of neato. Oh my gosh, I put it with the yellow section. You know what I'm gonna do? These, I'm just gonna put them as rainbow because I'm not gonna say dividing them because they're not fidgets alone. So, goes with the rainbow section. Oh, black. This black dimple cube. And this black slime. I only have 2 little fidgets, which is coincidence. Ooh, this gray mochi. Okay. This blue infinity cube. And this other blue infinity cube. Oops. Then I have this white mochi and this other white mochi and this white mochi and this white globble. Okay. And this white cobble. This rainbow slug. Yes. Green pea popper. Oops. Green pea popper. And green like Christmas themed cube. Oh my gosh, that's Christmas themed. It's so cute. I love her. And this tie-dye mini popper. Oh my goodness. Keep on calling it a popper. I don't know, it's just satisfying. Ew, brown, little gold, brownish goldish. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Brownish goldish, basically mochi. So we're gonna put it with the brown section. And this brown squishy. I'm gonna put them on top. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Like that, and he's an angel. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. This blue bike chain and this pink thingy. So we're gonna put that with the color pink and that with the color blue. This rainbow little puzzle ball. This purple and this green spike ball. So purple and green. And this blue dimple cube and this red dimple cube. Oh my gosh. Red. Okay, it's here. And just, this is, I think it's pink, yeah. Mostly pink. So this pink jumper, I don't know why I called them jumpers, but I don't know. This white fidget spinner. I already thought I have way more white. And this, we're gonna count it as white. This white other fidget spinner. These two yellow stretchy mans. This pink fidget cube. This pink fidget spinner and this pink puppet. I want everything. It's okay. Oh my gosh. This yellow, I think it's yellow, yeah. So yellow squishy. And this tie-dye, and this other tie-dye, and that other tie-dye mini poppets. My mini poppets are all tie-dye. Orange monkey noodle, orange fidget spinner, and I got this foam. I got this, I don't know what it's called, but I got this foam slime, and basically it looks more orange to me. When I see it, I say that's way more orange than green. And these are orange. I was gonna say green. This purple mochi and this pink mochi and this yellow mochi. Yellow, pink, and purple. This purple slime. This white squishy. Blue jumper. Purple monkey noodle. Pink slime. Gray person. Great person. Oh my gosh. Rainbow poppet ball. Blue dimple cube. Yellow hedgehog mochi. And last but not least, Star DNA Will is my new fidget. So yeah. Okay, so I can tell which team won exactly. So I have a lot of pink fidgets and such as rainbow. Like, let me show you here. So this is the majority, and this is the majority of rainbow fidgets. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at the majority of rainbow fidgets. It's insane. We have team tie-dye, team pink, team green, team purple, team brown, team red, team black, team blue, team white, team yellow, and team gray. Did I mention? Team orange. Anyways, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Oh, wait, I have to count. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, everyone. I just finished the video. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,